Apple's September 2026 event is reportedly set for Wednesday, September 9th, and Apple is planning huge changes to the iPhone lineup. Instead of launching every model together, Apple is rumored to split the iPhone 18 family, putting its most expensive devices in the spotlight first. The headline act is the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Leaked details point to a redesigned rear glass panel, a thicker frame, and a stunning dark cherry finish. That thicker body makes room for a larger battery, with reports suggesting around 12% more capacity. Meanwhile, the front display is going under the biggest change we have seen since the iPhone 14 Pro Max, shrinking the dynamic island by around 35% and moving the phone closer to a true all-screen appearance. The front camera is also rumored to jump to a 24-megapixel center stage sensor for sharper FaceTime calls, selfies, and landscape videos for creators. Another massive camera change is happening on the back. For the first time ever, the main camera is rumored to gain a variable aperture lens. This lens can mechanically control light and depth of field, giving users more exposure control and significantly more natural optical bokeh. Paired with iOS 27, which brings a customizable camera app with draggable controls and widgets, users can place their favorite shooting tools directly on the main screen, making the iPhone feel much closer to a dedicated professional camera. Under the hood, the rumored A20 Pro chip is expected to use an advanced 2-nanometer process that delivers major efficiency gains while accelerating on-device AI processing. That extra efficiency will be crucial because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is also rumored to support satellite-based internet access. This could allow users to stay connected without cellular towers or Wi-Fi, turning satellite connectivity from a strictly emergency feature into a powerful everyday advantage. However, be prepared for a bit of a shock. Leaks suggest a price increase of up to $300, pushing the entry-level Pro model toward $1,400 and lifting Apple's premium lineup into a completely new price category. To top it all off, the Pro Max might not even be the most expensive device on stage. Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone, often referred to as the iPhone Ultra, could finally appear, with a price tag expected to land between $2,000 and $2,500. It is rumored to open like a book into a 7.8-inch display with a much less visible crease. However, this futuristic foldable may require some compromises. It could replace Face ID with side-mounted Touch ID and potentially lose the dedicated telephoto camera. Apple may have even more surprises in store, including AirPods Ultra with rumored infrared cameras, the Apple Watch Series 12 in white ceramic, the Apple Watch Ultra 4, and a new HomePod-style smart display. If these leaks are accurate, September 9th could easily be one of Apple's biggest events yet.